Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a super interesting Instagram reel. So just first of all, open your Instagram reel and click on the effect option here. Then search it as Fire Eye. So after searching, you can see the first filter I just talking about. You can see the fire in your eyes. It was so amazing, and it's like a VFX. If we try to edit this effect in your software, it's need a high time, and we just need to work hard. But by using this filter, you can easily pick this effect, and after closing and opening my eyes, you can see the effect. It was so awesome and useful, and you can make a short film, you can make a different type of reels or shots by using this particular fire in your eyes effect. You can make a superhero spoof like that, and you can come closer. You can see the still the fire is on my eyes. It's looking so weird, weird filter actually. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Instagram filters, you just follow this channel. We will meet our next video with a so valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.